Okay, got the kerosene heater fired up. Chilly today. It's like 28 degrees this morning. Main thing is this door. I'm at the clubhouse. But like we can see here, from here on the board's gone. It just rotted off. The door's getting pretty sad, so I took the handle off here. So I'm going to run me a new board on there and on the inside. And being this stuff is really thin and flimsy, I got a half-inch sheet of OSB that I'll put on the inside. The outside will leave it look like it's flimsy. But now up here too, see how that has gone, has rotted. I don't know if I can get a board up there or not. But I just picked up what I had laying around the house, and all I had laying around this house is this big old long 2x4. Actually, it's more than one 2x4. We've got 1, 2, looks like about 3 2x4s there. Hopefully that'll be enough to fix this. And that's what I'm doing today. So I'll catch you in time to time and let you know how we're going. Okay? Okay. Got me a fire going out there. Yeah, last year, the last time I mowed the yard, that stump had creeped up enough to grab my blade. Bennett. So I thought, okay, you're out of here. So I'm burning that stump out with some of the scrap wood that I got from fixing this door. I don't know if we can see the door. There we go. On that last panel, it was getting really bad, so I screwed this OSB board on the back of it. Then a 2x4 to kind of straighten it up. It used to droop down like everything. I don't know if I got the droop fixed. Let's take a look. Well, yeah, it's not drooping as bad. It's sort of up there now. Kind of. That'll work. Yeah, that way the door don't, the bottom of it about ready to fall off. It's so rotted. But that's fixed now. So, I cleaned the garage up, swept it all up. It was a filthy mess. Mainly looking for an SD card. But I swept up and I can't find it. So, it's not on the floor. And over there, all the boxes stand up. We're stacked here. I went through every box, looked, nothing. So, maybe it's around somewhere, maybe not. Who cares? I got another SD card anyway. But I'm going to see if when this fire goes out, down, where it's smoldering, I'll go ahead and leave and hopefully when I get home, I'll try to put this video up without going through my movie magics thing, because evidently that's completely gone. I think I've got 2 of them on here. The one I did first, and now this one. I did one when I started this door. Well, the one that I started, I got a new virus protection thing and all that and this and that and hula. So I'm going to see if maybe the virus thing got rid of the virus on the movie magics or what. I figure that's probably what happened. Is movies magic's got a virus and YouTube won't accept it or something. So I hopefully got the computer cleaned up, and we'll try it again. And if it don't work, then I'll be putting this one, which is the second one, I'll be putting it up straight off the bloggy right onto YouTube, see if that works. If not, then YouTube's got a problem, I guess. I don't know. Well, we'll catch y'all later and have a great day. Bye.